Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Warmwind OS and Google Fuchsia. Warmwind OS and Google Fuchsia are very different in purpose and design. Warmwind OS acts like a virtual assistant that works around the clock for you. It can mimic human actions like clicking, typing and navigating apps without needing any programming. You just give it a simple instructions like send this report or update that file and it handles the rest. It connects with popular tools like Gmail, Slack and Google Docs, even those without APIs. Best of all, it keeps working in the background even if your browser is closed. Your data is safely stored on a German cloud servers that follow strict privacy laws. Google Fuchsia is a new operating system created by Google as possible replacement for Android or Chrome OS in the future. Unlike Android, it's not based on Linux. It uses a new kernel called Zircon for better performance and security. Fuchsia is designed to work on many types of devices, from phones to smart home gadgets. It focuses on speed, smooth updates, and strong privacy features. Right now, it's still in development and not widely used by regular users. Google is slowly testing it in some devices like Nest Hubs. In short, Warmwind OS is better for automating daily tasks right now, while Google Fuchsia is focused on being a future-ready operating system. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.